Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video I am going to tell you about a very good opportunity for the students. Basically it is about a program called Ideathon 2022, and this program is being conducted by the organizations that belong to Government of India. You can see here at the top Niti Aayog as well as Atal Innovation Mission. So these two are the organizations that belong to the Government of India, and here the program name is Ideathon 2022 with the tag Next Big Innovation. So what is this? Basically it is a competitive program, or it is a competition among the students. And if you see what is the meaning of innovation, innovation means trying to find something new which was not there before. Innovation means a new idea. If you have any new idea, then you are eligible to participate in this Ideathon program. Okay, new idea means it may be an idea in the field of technology, or maybe in the field of science, or maybe in the field of green challenges, or if you have an idea which is useful to a society or an organization or to a state or to the country, then you are absolutely eligible to participate in this program. Okay, yes, before looking into more information about this program, I request you to share this information with your students in your college as well as your friends in other colleges. Let's see some other information. So ACIC Rice Association Land Run, which is in Mohali, supported by Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, a Government of India, will be organizing an Ideathon 2022 with the tag name Next Big Innovation, that is exclusively designed to nurture curiosity and provide a platform for young ideas to blossom. Right? So basically it is a innovation competition, right? All about new idea. Okay. So if you see the important dates, this program was launched on 31st January and the last date to submit your idea is 12th February. Okay. So after the submission, all ideas will be scrutinized and only shortlisted ideas has to be registered in these dates from 13th to 28th February. So you probably will get a mail that whether your idea has been accepted or not. So if you get acceptance, then you have to register in these dates. And the actual program is on 24th and 25th February 2022. Grand finale and awards will be on 25th February. Okay, so here students who won will have the prizes also, right? That I will discuss in a short while. Now let's see what is the eligibility criteria for this. A maximum of 4 participants are permitted per team. So you and your friends can form as a team and you can submit the ideas, right? And an individual or a team with an innovative idea can register. And next point is college or institute or university students are allowed to participate in this program. Next schedule highlights. Yeah, we have day 1 and day 2. On day 1 there will be 2 rounds. Round 1 is briefing of idea in 1 minute. So you have to explain your idea in just 1 minute. Okay, that will be round 1. And in round 2, so you will have a workshop. So they will conduct a workshop on business model canvas workshop, and after that preparation of BMC and present online. Okay, so you have to present online by using some PPTs like that. Okay, and on day 2 the final round will be there. In the final round, again they will conduct a workshop on how to pitch your ideas. The meaning of pitching your ideas is explaining your ideas in a proper way. So they will teach you how to pitch your ideas, and immediately they will conduct the final pitching. PPT presentation will be there, and as soon as that, announcement of winners also will be done. See a small note here. Based on the performance of round 1 and round 2 on day 1, top 30 teams will be invited for second day final round. Okay, so based on the performance of the teams in round 1 and round 2, only 30 teams will be forwarded to the final round. Okay, and see the prizes. First prize is laptop, second prize is tablet, third prize is smartphone, and along with those 3 prizes we have 15 consolation prizes, which are smart watches for team ranking from 4 to 18. Okay, and next they have given some guidelines. The first one is college or institute or university students can participate in the Ideathon. Participants need to submit their ideas, giving a brief of the idea using the link given in the brochure, right? And based upon the initial submission, the shortlisted teams, around 50 teams they are going to shortlist, will be intimated through email to register for the Ideathon. And registration fee of rupees 300 for shortlisted teams is to be deposited as per the registration guidelines given on the website. So at the bottom they have given the website address, you can see here. So this is the website. If you open this, then you can know more information about this program. And mentor support is allowed, but the mentor will be counted as part of the team. And next, the registered teams will join the online Ideathon through the online meeting link, either Google Meet link or Zoom platform link. So this is online program. Participants are required to present online as per their schedule during the Ideathon. Absent teams will be marked 0. Copied ideas will lead to disqualification. The top 3 ideas will be awarded attractive digital devices, as we discussed earlier. There are 15 consolation prizes for rank 4 to 18, and all the registered teams will receive participation certificate. This is very important. So if at all, if we have registered and shortlisted, definitely will get the participation certificate. Okay, so it is always good to give a try. So winning and losing is not in our hands. So my suggestion is to participate in this program. And these are all the partners of this program. And at the bottom you can find some information. If you have any doubts, you can call these persons to know the information. For institutional inquiries, you can call this person, and for student inquiries, you can call these 2 persons, right? And if you want to know more information, you can visit this website. Okay, so I request you to share this information with your friends and try to participate in this program. Okay, thank you.